Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable Speak Auto Text and what it does on the iPhone. So, today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same. So, what you want to do is to go to the settings, then you want to go to the accessibility. Once you are here, go to the spoken content, and then go to the typing feedback. So here you have this option called Speak Auto Text. So to turn this on, just tap on a button. And if you want to work this feature, you also need to select the Speak Words option. About those three, from the top, we have another video on our channel videos. So be pleased to search for them and get to know what these are doing. So, the Speak Auto Text, it means that it will automatically speak autocorrection and auto capitalizations. So it means that if you type something wrong, it is going to speak the corrected version of that word. And also if you type a name, for example, with not the capital letter, it is going to accent that this letter is the capital one. So now this is on and now this is off. So again, how to get to this feature: go to the settings, then go to the accessibility, then go to the spoken content and typing feedback, and here are going to find this feature. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.